In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to multiply two columns in Notion. Whether you're tracking numbers or managing a project, Notion's powerful database features make it easy to perform calculations right within your workspace. Let's go through this process step by step so you can enhance your Notion experience by multiplying values from two different columns. First, you're going to want to navigate to your specific page in Notion where you have the table set up. Make sure you're logged into your Notion account, then open the workspace where your database or table is located. This is where we'll be performing all the steps. Having your destination table open is crucial because this is where we'll add a new calculated column. Once you're on the page with your database, look for the option to add a new property. You'll find this by examining the top of your table, where column headers are displayed. You'll notice a button labeled plus add property. Go ahead and click on this button. What this does is allows us to create a new field in the table specifically for the formula we're about to define. After clicking plus add property, you'll see a drop-down menu where you can choose the type of property you wish to add. From this menu, select formula. Your Notion table can now perform calculations with ease, defining new information based on existing data. Choosing formula is essential as it will enable us to input the multiplication process. Now, a text box will appear where you can type your formula. Just below this new formula property, you'll see a reference to your table's columns. What you'll want to do is carefully click inside this formula box to start creating your multiplication operation. Next, you'll need to select the first column you want to multiply. Simply move your cursor over to the columns listed below and click on the name of the column that contains the first set of numbers you want to include in your calculation. This action tells Notion which data to use first in your multiplying equation. After selecting the first column, the next step is to indicate the mathematical operation you wish to perform. In the formula box, you'll want to click on the asterisk symbol. This symbol tells Notion to perform a multiplication operation between the values in this formula. Following this, return to the listing of columns under the formula and click on the name of the second column. This is the column containing the second set of numbers you'll be using in your formula. Clicking on this column prompts Notion to multiply this set with the first set you selected. Finally, after your formula is complete and you've made sure the multiplication is set up correctly between the two columns, hit the Done button. Once you click Done, your new property will instantly calculate the product of the two selected columns and display it as a new column in your table. And there you have it. Your Notion database now automatically multiplies values from two columns, offering a neat and efficient way to manage computations within your workspace. Happy organizing!